Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. In this tutorial, I used a different method to make a feather or leaf. So let's get started. So here I took 18 inches of cord and I fold it in half. Now take 120 inches of cord and find a middle point. Start making square knots. This is the first square knot. Now make the second square knot and leave a distance of 3 inches like this. And the distance I left is 3 inches. Now drag it upwards like this. Keep it tight. Now again leave the distance 3 inches and make a square knot. Drag it upwards. So here you can see we have these. Now again leave a gap of little less than 3 inches. Little less than 3 inches, like 2.5 inches. Now again leave a distance 2.5 inches and make a square knot. Now 2 inches distance like this and make a square knot. See? Little less than 2 inches. So after every 2 times you have to reduce a little bit of distance. completed our project today. I hope you love this very easy and quick method to make feathers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.